Thank you guys for joining into my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys a simple eyebrow technique. Step 1. Make sure that your eyebrow is always properly groomed. Step 2. Always cut any long hair that sticks out your eyebrows. Step 3, I'll be using my favorite eyebrow product by MAC Cosmetics. I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Espresso eyeshadow to fill in the eyebrows with the angle brush. I always fill in both eyebrows at the same time to make sure I could create the perfect shape that I desire. Step 4, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics 242 brush to sculpt the eyebrows. You can use any lighter concealer or foundation to sculpt the eyebrows. Make sure when you use the brush you tap a little product at the tip of the brush to help it glide. I always try to stencil out the perfect shape with one eyebrow first, then I'll move on to the next to mimic the same way. Eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, so you could do your best to make them as equal as possible. Eyebrows are the most important part of your face. They frame it. I don't know about you, but the first thing I look at when I see someone are their eyebrows. And yes, I do see that her eyebrows need a little fill in, but I'll be touching that up at the end. Remember, eyebrows are twins, not sisters. But please do not make them distant cousins, then you're going to have a problem. Sculpting the eyebrow, it takes time, so have patience. Don't get frustrated. Just take your time and breathe. If you use the pencil, pomade, or eyeshadow, I noticed that each one of those products will give your eyebrows a different look and a different style. And here we go. There's my filling right here that you guys been waiting for. I didn't forget. I love using this Espresso eyeshadow by MAC Cosmetics because it gives the eyebrow a very soft look and very natural. All the product that I use will be listed in the description box. After cleaning and sharpening the eyebrows, you have one choice to either blend the rest of the foundation down, or you can make your eyeshadow base. To concealer, I'll be using BlackOpal Stick Foundation in the shade Heavenly Honey and Truly Topaz. You just gotta take your time when you gliding against the eyebrows just to remove the highlight. When you take your time, your eyebrows will look razor sharp. For above the eyebrow, I'm using Truly Topaz by BlackOpal Stick Foundation to conceal it. It's a little bit darker, so I'm trying to mimic her forehead. As you can see, a little line of demarcation. If you like, you could thin it out as much as possible to have a nice, clean skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Make sure you guys enjoy another face caption tutorial.